Very good morning, dear students. In the previous class, we learned the checking the subtraction with the addition. We first subtract and then check the subtraction with the addition. Then we learned the properties of subtraction, three properties. Then we learned the subtraction with 10, 100 and 1000. From before it, we are also learned the subtraction with zeros. So from that we are going to solve our next exercise, that is the exercise 3.3. So now let's start. Question number 1. A 4560 minus 1204. So firstly I am arranging them vertically. 4560 minus 1204. Ones, tens, hundred and 1000. Start from the ones place. 0 minus 4. We cannot subtract directly 0 from the 4, as 4 is larger than the 0. So we have to take a borrow from the previous one. 0 here is the 5, and here will be 10. 10 minus 4, 6. 5 minus 0, 5. 5 minus 2, 3. 4 minus 1, 3. So your answer is 3356. B 2090 minus 1089. So arrange it vertically. 2090 minus 1089. Ones, tens, hundred and 1000. Start from the ones place. 0 minus 9. We cannot subtract it, so we are taking a borrow. Here is 8 and put 1 here. 10 minus 9, 1. 8 minus 8, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 2 minus 1, 1. Answer is 1001. Now see. 6000 minus 5069. So firstly I am arranging them. 6000 minus 5069. Ones, tens, hundred and 1000. Start the subtraction from the ones place. 0 minus 9. We cannot subtract, so we have to take a borrow from the previous one. That is also 0. So again we have to take a borrow for this 0 from previous one. That is also 0. So for this one 0, we have to take a borrow from the previous one, that is a 6. So here 0 as it is, in place of 6, 5, and here will be a 10. Now it's enough numbers to give a borrow to this 0. So 0 here, 9 and 1. Now this 0 have enough numbers to give a borrow to the next 0. 0, 9 and 1. Yeah. 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 0, 9. 5 minus 5, 0. So your answer is 931. Now in the question number 1, D, E, F is your homework and H is also your homework. I am going to solve the G. 9300 minus 7258. Right here the ones, tens, hundred and 1000. Start the subtraction from the ones place. 0 minus 8. We cannot subtract, so take a borrow from the previous one. That is also 0. So for this 0 we have to again take a borrow from the previous one. So 0 as it is, in place of 3 we have to do 1. Give a 1 borrow from 10 to this 0. 0, 9, 1. 10 minus 8, 2. 9 minus 5, 4. 2 minus 2, 0. 9 minus 7, 2. So your answer is 2042. This is your question number 1. Now question number 2. Subtract the following and check your answer. First, what should you have to do? You have to do the subtraction, then do the addition or subtract and the difference to check the answer. If it's a minus, means this number, then your subtraction is correct. So let's start. A, 4538 minus 1952. Firstly, arrange them vertically. 4358 minus 1952. Ones, tens, 100,000. Start from the ones place. 8 minus 2, 6, 5 minus 5, 0, 3 minus 9. We cannot subtract the 9 from 3. So we have to take a borrow. In place of 4, write down the 3. 13 minus 9, 4. 3 minus 1, 2. Answer is the 2406. Now we have to check the answer. So for that, what we have to do? We have to add the subtract and difference. If we get the minus, your answer is right. So I am adding the 1952 plus 2406. Ones, tens, 100,000. Start from the ones place. 2 plus 6, 8. 5 plus 0, 5. 9 plus 4, 13. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 4. So your answer is the 4358. It's the same as the minus. So your answer is correct. Now B is your homework. Now see. 4008 minus 2179. So arranging 4008 minus 2179. Ones, tens, 100,000. Start from the ones place. 8 minus 9. We cannot subtract it because it's 8 is smaller than the 9. Take a borrow from the previous. It's a 0. So for this 0, we have to again take a borrow from the previous. That is also 0. So again we have to take a borrow from the previous one. For this 0, firstly I am taking a borrow. 0. In place of 4, write down the 3 and put here a 1. Now give one borrow from this to this 0. 0, 9, 10. Take a one borrow to the 8. 9, 1. 18 minus 9. 9. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 1, 8. 3 minus 2, 1. Answer is the 1829. Now we have to check the subtraction. So we have to add this 2, and if the answer is 4008, your subtraction is correct. So add it. 2179 plus 1829. Ones, tens, 100,000. 9 plus 9, 18. 1 carry. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 0, 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 8, 10. 0, 1 carry. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Answer is the 4008. It's the same as the minus, so your answer is correct. Now D is your homework. We are going to solve the E. 7011 minus 4917. So firstly I am arranging them. 7011 minus 4917. Ones, tens, 100,000. So start from the ones place. This is the 1. Here is the 7. We cannot subtract, so take a borrow from the previous one. In place of 1, write down the 0. 1 11. 11 minus 7 4. 0 minus 1 we cannot subtract, so take a borrow from the previous one. That is also 0. For again take a borrow from the previous one. 0. Here is 6 1. Now give a 1 borrow to the next one. 9, and here will be a 10. 10 minus 1 9. 9 minus 9 0. 6 minus 4 2. Answer is the 2094. Now for check the subtraction, do the addition of subtrahend and the difference. So 4917 plus 2094. Ones, tens, hundred and the thousand. 7 plus 4 11. 1 carry. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 1 11. 1 carry. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 0 10. 0 1 carry. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 2 7. So your answer is the 7011, and it's the same as the minus. Now F 6000 minus 2978. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Start the subtraction from ones place. 0 minus 8 we cannot subtract, so take a borrow from the previous one. That is also 0. Again take a borrow from previous one. That is also 0. So we have to take a borrow from 6 for this 0. 0 as it is. Here 5 and 1. Now give a 1 borrow to this tens place 0. Now give a 1 borrow to the ones place 0. 10 minus 8 2. 9 minus 7 2. 9 minus 9 0. 5 minus 2 3. Now let's start the checking of subtraction by adding the subtrahend and the difference. So 2978 plus 3022. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Start from the ones place. 8 plus 2 10. 1 carry. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 2 10. 1 carry. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 0 10. 1 carry. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 3 6. So answer is the 6000, and it's the same as the minus. So your answer is correct. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks. This is depend on the properties of addition. 1689. In this question, rest of is your homework. Question number 2. G and H is your homework. 1689 minus 0. Whenever you subtract 0 from any number, you can get difference as that number. Means आपको वही number answer मिलेगा. So answer is 1689. This is your homework. B is your homework. Now 2300 minus 2300. Whenever you subtract a number from itself, the answer will be 0. So here you can see it's a 2300 minus 2300. So answer is 0. D 1345 minus 1. Whenever you subtract 1 from any number, then you get the predecessor of that number. मतलब आप अभी क्या कर रहे हो, 1345 में से 1 को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हो, तो आपको क्या मिलेगा, 1345 का प्रीडिसेसर मतलब प्रीवियस नंबर. सो दैट इज द 1344. Now this is your E is your homework. F is also your homework. Now question number 4. Subtract the following. That is for the subtraction with 10, 100 and the 1000. First A, 2965 minus 10 equals to, whenever you subtract 10 from any number, decrease the tens place value by 1. So I am writing 1 tens. This is the tens place value. Here is the 6. So you have to decrease it by 1. मतलब यहाँ पे 6 है तो उसको 5 कर देना है. So answer is 2955. Next, 3988 minus 1000. Whenever you subtract 1000 from any number, subtract the 1000 place digit by 1. So this is ones, tens, 100 and the 1000. On the 1000 place there is a 3. So subtract it 1 or decrease it by 1. So 2988. Next, C, 6175 minus 100. Whenever you subtract 100 from any number, decrease the 100 place value by 1. Ones, tens, 100. This is the 100. Here on the 100 place there is a 1. So decrease 1 by 1 means in place of 1 write down the 0. 6075. Rest of is your homework. In the question number 4, D, E, F is your homework. So here we complete our exercise. Write down the whole exercise in your notebook only. So here going to end the video. Bye everyone. Have a good day.